Hey, what's up all my skulkers out there? This is Swamp Fox here in Battlefield 1943. Getting ready to play in the game. Didn't even set my settings yet. It's been a long time since I played. Been a really long time. Don't remember the last time I played. 2 weeks maybe? 1 week? 2 weeks? 2 weeks? Yeah, it's been a while. It's not a super long time then. It's only been 2 weeks. But it's been a while. It looks like we ended up on Guadalcanal. It's a good place to end up. So, check out here. Flex fingers. Get ready to play the game. And get in here and have some fun. Alright, what we're going to start on. We are Americanos. And looks like we're already in trouble. Let's see how many people are in the game already. That's not a bad group. Kikila. Who else? Nobody else I know. Sorry. No, all the rest of the peoples. I don't know if I've played with any of these other folks before. My keyboard's going everywhere. Hold on. There we go. Alright, so let's get into the game. Let's do this, because I don't know what I'm getting into. My own teammate doing that. Whoa. Oops, wasn't paying attention. Alright, that was a total miss. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. You don't know who you're going against. Ah, fit him! Is he still up there? Don't know. Did somebody get him? I don't see him anymore. Oh, there he is. Well, maybe not. Oh well. Okay. Alright, I'll go with, who am I running with? Some Lazarus. Is that Lazarus? Lazarus Doa. Right, we'll run over this way, dude. Why not? Go ahead and reload that. That way I'll have it reloaded and I won't have to worry about it. And we'll be ready by the time we get up here. Now I don't know where he's running to, but I'm going to go back over here to this spot. Let's see if we can't take control of some of this. Hello, Argentino. Get down low, because you never know. Alright, there we go. Now we got 2 spots. Alright, that's done. So what they were all doing is spawning down there and then taking off over there trying to get us. What do? We just take it over. Alright, so our guy has that. If I can get this tank, that'd actually be really well. Do really well. Oh, can you speak today? You ever have those days where you just can't talk and you can't get anything out? Come on, get in. There we go. Where'd he go? Are we up here? No, I don't see anybody up there. Alright, so let's get going. Get this tank on the road. And we'll go take out this place over here. It looks like somebody's up the top of the hill. Ah! Just right over it. Yeah, I see ya. Quit that. Quit it. Dadgummit. What? Somebody shot from the rear. Doggone it. I can never do that. I can shoot somebody, and never get them. Whatever. It makes me shoot 10 times. Alright, come here, you try harder. Ah, you didn't run into it. Kikilado. Golly. Had to be somebody good driving that thing. Alright. No playing around. Kikila's on the path. A warpath. Alright, if I can get this bottom, let's go. Get that air. Oh no, he's not getting it. Get the airport. Get the airport. Nope. Not gonna have to do it from here. No vehicle, no vehicle. Nope. Nope. I can't run. 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 Ah, this new control is horrible. But it's better than what it was. Stinking sniper. I saw him out of the corner of my eye, and then he stuck back. He took a step back and shot me. Yeah, I didn't realize they had so many little good people. Well, stink, stop. Where'd he at? Sneak around him. Where'd he go? He's just here. Nope. Somebody behind me. I finally saw him. It disappeared on my radar and I couldn't find him. And then somebody else snuck in behind me. So I guess I'm just going to have to do this now. Daggum it. Where's he at? There he is. Go away. Tanker's coming. Tanker's coming. Ah! Here, you stop it. Quit it. Leave me alone. Where's he at? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. No, you don't. No, you don't. No kidding. Golly. I was like bouncing around. Ain't worth a flip. Alright, that was our warm-up round. Now I turn my TV screen so it's not in the sun anymore. It's not really sun, it's just clouds with sun behind it, and it's like super bright. Now I can see the TV screen. Stink, stop. That was horrible. This is what happens when you don't play regularly. You just kind of wane away. Your skills get, well, because I am getting older too. I mean, my eyesight's not as good, and you know, you have to have, you know, I need a walker, you know, need a walker controller, you know, a controller with a walker. So I ain't gotta hold it up, and I got the shakes anymore. Well, that's a good start spot. But when you got the shakes, you can't make quick turns anymore. All right, let's see what I got. I gotta go get something. See if we can get over here real quick. Let's see, somebody coming over here. There's someone else coming over here. Don't see them yet. Alright, gotta move this car or that thing won't spawn. There we go. Alright, got one. We have two. Let's see. Somebody coming around this curve. Coming over this hill. It's no. Nice and easy. I gotta maintain my speed. Alright, there we go. Nothing here. Not a tank, no! Let me dive off of this thing! I cannot get a shot on that airplane. Oh, just over him. Grenade yourself! Go away from me! Ah! Dang it! You're gonna blow up my tank. Golly, I forgot what weapon I had. It's like pulling the trigger like I had the rifle. It doesn't work. Here's the rifleman. Alright guys, y'all have to help out here. See what I'm saying? Kind of difficult doing by myself in there. Especially against these crew. Bunch of tryharders, so trying hard, stinking good. And they are. They're good. I know. They're really good. Go this way. Somebody made a doorway. Ah, crud, tank. Get over there. Stuck in a stinking hole. Bad, bad place. Well, you got goal 3 people you got to go against. I think the Archino is actually going to be fairly decent. Where is he at? Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that stuff there. That way I can actually operate. Where is the next one going? Don't see him. Thought there was a tank right here. I haven't seen it. There he is. Ow! Where are they? I hear them. I can't find them. Where are they? He's shooting from the other stinking hill. You rascal. I have to go with this because not in here of all places. Why'd I have to in here? That's alright, I hit you. I saw the red spot. We're getting murdercated. If we can keep them busy here, if I got somebody would actually, oh, there we go. See, that's what I'm saying. If we can keep them busy here, not in here. Click on it. Why? But like I say, if we can keep them busy here, and somebody else, you know, I wish you could I could contact everybody. Hey, look, I'm gonna keep them busy here. Keep them. Click on it. That's not what I want. All right, I'll take tank. I'm not doing very good in it, but I'll take it. Don't get that out of the... No, come on, seriously? He's waiting right there. And my shot missed. Seriously, he's rolling and hitting me, and I'm shooting and... Dang! That ticks me off. Now I'm starting to get a little serious here. I'm serious. He's rolling and hitting me. I can't do that. Same thing. Here, let's get up here. Dadgummit. And this game frustrates me sometimes. I ain't mad at nobody. Just mad at me. I get stuck in the doggone... Yeah, I know you're gonna run over there. Run back up. Run down there. Run down there. Run away, chicken. Okay, that's not our guy. Oh, somebody's up there trying to shoot down at me. We're gonna go over here, take this place. As long as he's backed off over there, we can back over here. I have not done anything. I'm not doing anything in this game at all. I moved to this new controller hoping it would help me be a little better. It's just, now it's like really, really loose. Everything works really, really well. Coming behind this tank. So watch this. I'm going to shoot him in the rear end like everybody else shoots me. He's going to be just, he's running away. Little sniper. No, I see how it's going to be. Terrible. Terrible, that's how it's going to be. Doggone it. I hit him hard though. I'm spawning right in front of folks, and it's aggravating. You know, nothing you can do about it. You know, it's just nothing you can do about it. So you can make them eventually back off. What is that? Seriously? What was that? Where are they at? Are they under the ground? I'm getting shot from behind by something that's not there. Let me look again. Where? Thank you. Where's the tank? Where's the airplane? Thank you. Doggone. I'll take that. Okay, there's the tank. Frustrating. Got rid of the airplane, got rid of the guy on top of the hill, and I'm going to get rid of this tank on the side of the mountain. I would have to right in front of him. I nailed him again. He's going to have to back off. I love it. They're spawn killing. I know what they're doing. That's fine. Let them spawn kill. That's part of the game. Oh, why did I go out here? I did not move it, did I? I must have hit it. I must have tapped it. Oh well. That's fine. We got 3, by the way. I love the fact that I got that airplane. I do it all the time. It's so fun. I'm coming behind him. Here we go. Alright, now he's backed off. Can we get him? Can I get it? Can I get it? Ah, it's going off to the right. Doggone. That was a horrible shot. Alright, let's see if we can back him off here. Oh, missed! Oh, got up there. Alright, he's back up on top of the hill, up top of the thing. Let's see if I can get him, knock him off. He may have went back inside the, Oh, I got him. Love it. Seriously. Alright, I know he's going to come back here. There he is. I hate that. You pull left trigger to aim, and your aim all of a sudden will shoot the wrong direction. I don't get it. I don't get that. I never could get that. Never could get that on this game. So stinking far away now. I gotta run all the way over there. Whatever. Hopefully I don't have a tank coming down this road. Nope. There is a tank over there though. Go away. Quit it. Quit it. Leave me alone. Go. Up there on that hill again. Up there on that. I see you. WND. I'm gonna get you. Weapon of that. Weapon. I don't know what is that. What is that? Wind down? I don't know. There you go, Mr. T. Oh, seriously? Come on. There's no way. If I can just get it. I can't get a shot on him. I hit him twice. I hit him twice, and why didn't that blow him up? Whatever. I don't get it. I hit him twice. He hit me twice on the front pan. I hit him twice on his, and it should have killed him. I don't get it. I ain't figured that out yet. Sometimes it's just annoying. Leave me alone. Ugh. I had a good shot since I blew that airplane out of the sky. My problem is I keep going over here. I know better than that. I know not spawn, and I know they're spawn killing things like that, and I should go away. I know better than that, and it just all right. 2 warm-ups, and Now we're going to go stink, stank, stunk. It's at the end. Alright, so I had one blow up. I shot an airplane out of the sky, so that was fun. I'm going to do some more videos of these. It's been a while. I got to warm up, so game and a half warm up. I'll see you all later. This is Swamp Fox, and in fact, I'll record the next one, and then I'll come back in. I'm already getting into Guadalcanal. You'll see it. See you later. Bye.